5-1. The foul. Drawing. Kick out. Long two. Nugget. Egon Prince. Out of pass of number 3. Uza. Chip pass. On the middle. A piece of St. Colorado. 2-0 first basket. Pass to number 16. Long raise here. Teaching for that. Pass to jersey number 3. 18 on the shot clock. Long two. Locked it up. Number 88 coming time. Big and pass. Lanches again. Wala ngayon. Defensive rebound. Pass number 3. 3 on distribution. Drawing plays it in. Cascas in. 6-3 naman sa tatlo. Pass number 5. 16 on the shot clock. 14 seconds to shoot. To number 2. 10 on the shot clock. Here drop. Nugget. Rebound. That's again to Sticky. Number 3. Lead it in. Good for 2. That's number 5. $15 on the shot clock. No good. Defensive rebound. Number 69. What piece of wala. Offensive rebound. Zone attack. Wala. Now rebound to the net. Jersey number 16. 6 up. And a whistle down foul. Jersey number 7-7. First contact. First rebound. Yes, moving on. Here's the ball. You're beyond it. That's number 7. Cheap pass. Big foul. Back to again. Rebound. 12 seconds. Up to the 3. In and out. Pass in the right wing. No long. 15 on the shot clock. Keep pass on the Navade. Here's the number 3 Gizon. 2 on 3 solution. Nugget. Rebound again sa team ng Kamel. Number 16. Sweet pass. Intercepted. Here's number 10. Bring out number 7. 3 on 1 solution. Number 10. Desiree passing down. Lapping na sa Ravel. Here's the numbers. 8-8. First personal. First team goal.
Mabap. Naya ko na eh. Pabalik kayo niya. Rano yan. May salti katawan niya.
Was Ryan. In and out. New down lunch to Salon 3. No good. Now we down it. Ryan. Intercepted. Pass is taking jersey number 8-8. Zigzag. Side step. Extra pass. Long 2. Good. 10-5 na sa 5. Pass to Leon. Nice fake. Closer. Wala rin nga sa pinang Downs pass. No good. Rebound. Nakawala sa depensa. Extra pass to Lizon. Easy basket. 12-5 ang sa ito. Baseball. Sweet pass. Easy basket. 12-7. 18 on the shot clock. 12 on the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. Kick down. 7 on the shot clock. Kick down. Pablorino Puesto. Gilbert 47. 5 minutes and 20. Drive, long, fading away. Nugget. Pass against the team of ERC. Pass number 4, Aguilar. Bounce pass. Out of bounds. Same time, last possession. Now inbound. Pass number 10. Indounder. Intercepted. Final one. Pass break. But again, sa team of ERC. Sweep pass on the right corner. Long range. No to rather. Offensive rebound. Pull up check. Talio. Bitawan. Out of bounds. Okay, she's fine. Okay, nasa. Diyan tayo doon. Pares na kayo? Pares mo lang muna. Okay. Okay, inbound, Kamel. That's number 16 at the other end. Para sa team ng Kamel. Sweet pass. Long train. In and out. Rebound down. That's number 7, Lanchas, Nugget, kick out, out of bounds. Out of the pass into Bongo. Pass number 18. Now intercepted, pass break line. Easy basket, 67. Biggie pass number 16. 18 on the shot clock. Pull up. In and out. Put back is there. 69. Pass again. It is 1. Launches the long 3. Yes, sir. Launches a ball. Number 16, Roy, and a whistle. Down jersey number 43, first on top, 17 bell. Ready jumpers. Out of 2, 9 and 11, inbound. Winning pass, number 43. Pass number 89, back to Hill, 14 seconds. Mr. Hill, side step, downtown well. Number 46, first personal, 17 bell. Kick out. Figaro, Bitawan. 9 on shot clock. Pass number 14, Pablo. Pass, almost losing the ball. Bitawan recover. 14 seconds to shoot. Counter shot. Nugget. Rebound Arce. But against my teammate, 12 seconds. Carrying it down. Wala. Rebound Hill. 2-on-1 situation. Right, zero. 19 on the shot clock. Hill dash with his line. Pull up, fake, kick out, Leon. Long break. Look at it. Hold on. Drive. Pass it down. Make a foul. Here's number 43, 7 personnel. 13 down. Ball strike. Basket. 19-14. Babas sa lima. Pasok niya. Again ball. 60 on the shot clock. You want a long three. No good. 1 minute and 5. That's the last set. Look at this. As it is 143. Exactly 1 minute. Right to the basket. Nice step. O wala. Okay, offensive rebound. Sa mga traffic natin. Right, step back. 12 seconds. Peel. 7 na. Long three. Short. Rebound sa team ng Hamel. Nasa dumaan. Balik-balik yan sa team ng ERC. 18 seconds shot clock. Again back. Extra pass. Okay. 35 seconds game clock. Number 5 one-on-one situation. Nice lead. Balik sa team ng ERC. Listener Hill. Drawing. Drop pass. Good for two. Shot clock is dead. 20 seconds. 15 on the game clock. Drawing. Good roll. It's good. 9 seconds. 5 seconds game clock. Now leads him in. Basket is good. Change strike tayo. Pavel ball. Oh, yellow ball tayo. Yellow. Pablo. Pass. Long three. Wala. Rebound. Sweet pass. Malakas. Nakakagawa ulit. Number 14 is Ricardo. Sweet pass. Bata. Long two. Look it. Number 5. Give for two. 23-18. Give for two. Bawian kita. 25-18. Drop seat pass number 5. 15 on the shot clock. Floater. Basket. Nabasa 5. Okay, again. 18 on the shot clock. Number 10, kick out. Sweet pass. Wait, 12 seconds. Drive. Aguilar. Malakas. Rebound ng cover. Number 2. Drop is here. Nabasa na ito. Last time in the one. Number 88. Drawing. Wala. Is there a kick down? Pumati sunog. Long three. Put back. Reverse. Wala na. Number 5. Baseball. Pump. Spin. Fake. Ganda ng footwork. Good for two. Kapasa isa. 25-24. Pass. Hello, isa. Para sa labas. 10 seconds shot clock. Big pass. Good Audrey. That's good. Number 18. Batak, Papiso. Logan. Number 10. To number 3. Izan. Extra pass. All was good. Balisani. Down. Number 5. And a whistle. Jersey number 7, second personal foul. First big foul. 16 on the shot clock. Intercepted again. Easy layup. Good. Timeout. Pass above them. Fifteen on the shot clock. Long two. It's not good. Pass, kick out. Spin. Grab pass. The double number 4 already got the double back. Pass number 10. Esling. Drive pass number 3. Warden. Pass number 5. Maybe Jazz, the person number 88. Extra pass the bomb into one. Offensive rebound. So on attempt, tingnan natin. Bitawan, single. 13 on the shot clock. Okay, 13 on the shot clock. Okay. 10 seconds. Rotor, no good. 8 second shot clock. Kinalabawan defense of the jersey number 4 Aguilar. First contact, 17 goal. Number 2, bomb into 1. Kasha pass to the infielder. Number 2. Nabasaan niya. Please go pass up the sakto. Please one na bitawan. Ay down. Yes, again. 2 down. Recover. Bucklo. Pull up J. No good. Number 5. Pump. And it's terrible violation. 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Now Indian. Yes, Mr. Sweet pass. 15 on the shot clock. Kick out. Rodgers. Nolan. Rebound. Mas bilang banget lah kawan. And 30. Left corner, Rantes, Nugget, even 3, Isa. Big pass, Big Virgil, 34-26, 5 minutes and 10, last possession. Rudolph, drawing, big. After pass, bitawan. Rebound, best break point. Pag di pumasok. Bigom. Pass number 5, Laundry. Yes, sir. 34-29, baba sa 5. Number 3, 16 on the shot clock. Sweet pass, 13 on the shot clock. Extra pass is no good. Okay, the over. 12 seconds shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. Okay, Libian sa team ng Lolo. Para bola. There's number 8, Lolo, right corner. Magre-reset, bilang pokokol sa tres. Kaya baligo. 32-34, was the dalawa. Yes, babawi sa tres. Galing. Yung recover, pagkaya sa team ng Hammer. Pass number 8 sa Grosso. Pull up. Nugget. Rebound. This one. Extra pass. Easy basket. Mali sa apat. Pull pass number 8. Sa Grosso. Extra pass to bata. Mamalakas. Put back is good. Tumawag sa dalawa. Two minutes and 20, 18 on the shot clock. 14 seconds. Eason. 10 seconds shot clock. Long three. Yes, sir. 39-34, Lima. Follow now. 60 on the shot clock. That number 5. 12 seconds shot clock. Pass, 10 seconds sa Barroso. Grabbing the basket, Gilbert Deal. Baba sa tatlo. 2 minutes. Pass number 3. Drop pass number 7. Wala. Number 3, he's on. Gilbert Deal. 41-36. Balik-balik sa 5. That's the Rojo. Roy. He's in. Number 5, put back again. Wala. Put back. And a whistle down. Mabasa ng law. Ating wala. Person number 6-4. First personal foul. 13 down. Okay, 41-39, baba sa dalawa. 1 minute and 10 seconds. $15 on shot clock. 12 seconds shot clock. 10 on shot clock. Mag-iba. Gilbert Hill, tanong. Tapos sa timeout naman. Balik sa apat. Back to the lead, 55 seconds. Sa ating clock. Delphine number 5. Pass number 2. 15 seconds shot clock. Going. Keep ball reset shot clock. 14 on the shot clock. Pass number 9. Cabroso 12 seconds. Ping and pass. 10 seconds. Naimpet Logan. Pin away. Nuno. Naging back. Baseball pass. Bigyan ni Jersey number 16. Nuno. Lloyd. Gilbert 2. Shot clock is dead. 20 seconds. Pass intercepted. Number 1. Bring it Myers. Wala pa rin. Ay, nasa play. 15 seconds. Number 2. Number 16. Kick out. 10 seconds. 3 seconds. Violation. 9.8 seconds. Wait for the buzzer. Nasa sa laban. Bagdanan. 6 seconds. Tatawid ngayon. 5 seconds. Down to the basket. Easy to points. ARC Border Boys. Coming pass, Mr. Hill, grab over. 14 on the shot clock. Long period. Number 14, Gabriel, pass number 8, Sabroso. Nakita pa mata. Robert, Rolando, Sakana. 15 on the shot clock. Drive. Take. And fires. Student. Rebound. Here's over for more. Aguilar. Teardrop. Wala. Extra pass. Easy basket. 47-41. It's on pass number 8, Sabroso. Number 16. Easy it up. Single guy, 19 on the shot clock. Doggy down. Pass to Sabroso. Underdog shot is good. 47-43. Lumabas na natin. Apat brother. Pass to Hill. 16 on the shot clock. Plays it in. Wala malakas. Put back in. 49-43. Feed pass. Don't breathe. In and out. Is a Hill. Drawing. Extra pass. Kick out. Warning. Look at it. Rebound Mr. Hill. Sa tap is good. 51-43 walo. Number 8 Sabroso. Pull-up J. Basket. Hill. Hill pass. 16 on the shot clock. Screen, long three. Short. Arsenal on the rebound. Rebound naman sa team ng ERC. Kick out. Pass. Long to Sigurado. 45-53. Inbound. Number 8, Zamroso. Bitaw-bitawan sa Santos. Arsen. 14. Ay, Pablo. Shoot downs again. Number 43. As he passes, 15 on the shot clock. Drive, side step. Bitaw one, kick out. 10 on the shot clock. Pass number 10. Batting it down again. And for 2. 45-55. Balik sa 10 naman. Tigas again. 60 on the shot clock. Nabawi sa 3. Wala. Rebound Mr. Hill. Pass, palas. Out of bounds. Target na sa tutuan na Arce. Harap over. Yes, Brosso. Number 88. With the rebound away. There's their Hill. Hill again. Takes it off. No hit. Offensive rebound on it. Rebo Beramet. Para sa team for the boys. 13 on the shot clock. The Guzman. Lances a grade. No hit. Offensive rebound. Papiso. Sigurado. 57-45. Great Zamroso. 15 on the shot clock. Keep going. Combs Simmons. Not too short. He's good pass. Is it in? Yeah, up. I got it. Number 18. 16 on the shot clock. Sweet pass. Long 3. No good. Rebound is Hill. Drive. Air down. Single. 20 on the shot clock. Inbound. Pass Aguilar. 15 on the shot clock. Eardrop is hit. He's 145. Pass to number 16. Pass number 18. Long 3. Wala pa rin. Aguilar. Keep out. Right, ready to the elbow. Pass number 16. Number 5. Full drop. Pass it down. Not make us outbound. Not this real. First one up. And first two down. There's number 5, Ryan. Here comes the hit. Number 10 on the rebound. For a piece of motion. Holter, good. Baseball pass. And down ball.
Oo.
Ayan yan.
Ano yung gumamit?
Wala, has 7 minutes. Pass to Mr. Hill. 8 on the shot clock. Inbound number 7, Longbury. Longbury runner. First down, 65-47. Back to Russell. That was Roosevelt, number 7. Third personal foul, 17 foul.
Ba, palait ang idol mo, ne? Wala na. Balik ka po sa Bape. Balik ka.
Hill. Pull up. Logan. Defensive rebound. Keep going. Mr. Hill. What happened? Iba number 2. Balikan kita number 10. That was it. What up? Okay, so natin. Tingnan natin. 10 on the shot clock. Taking away. Good for 2. 57-49. 2 minutes and 10. That's number 8. What up? Defensive rebound. 2 minutes and 5 seconds. Jersey number 7. Extra pass to Missouri Canada. Nabitawan ng bola. Extra pass. Sweet pass. What up? Put back is hit. 69-49. 1 minute and 50. Dolo. Drive, fall, teardrop, hit. 1 minute and 40. Sports one line down. Here's number 16. Down 2 throws. Last ball possession. It's number 1 minute and 42 seconds. He's done now. Pass up 7-7. Number 8, and Arizona. Count number 7-7. Ready jumpers. So right is good. Here it is, red 1, make money. Baseball pass. Double 7. Pass number 4. Fake. Pass number 7. Drive. 15 on the shot clock. One up. Even number 8. Pass. Long 2. No good. Ay, hugas yung rebound. 57 seconds on the game clock. On the one side of the wall. Putting number 10. But here's the whistle. Bell, jersey number 8. Set the whistle. First one up. 17 Bell. seconds. Ay, Mr. Hill. Baseball pass number 9. 50 seconds game clock. Lalong. Brian Stengel, fade away. Get her there. 54-71, 43 seconds game clock. He's going to be on top of the end. 3 pass on the board. 16 on the shot clock. 14 on the shot clock. Number 7, long three. In and out. Offensive rebound. 12 second shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. Fade away. They'll get the offensive rebound. Put back there good. Shot clock is 10. 15 seconds. Waiting for the buzzer. 10 seconds. And here's the whistle. And the whistle number 7. First knock off, warning for penalty. Ready jumpers. Six, 8.6 seconds waiting for the buzzer. Yo, whistle. 13 foul pa lang. 7 personal, 13 foul. 6.3 seconds. Yes, 5 seconds. 3 seconds. 2 seconds. Hindi na problema yun sir, basta rin na yun tsaka may timer ka. Oo, ba't pareho pa rin mag-inside dyan? Oo, nabas ka tayo. Ay final, inbound. Double A. Three pass. Long three. No good. Rebound by Hill. Three pass to number 43. This man. After pass on the middle. Quick pass. Pasa-pasa. Intercepted number 8. Sabroas on the other end. Field forward. To number 2. Bob fires and gets a basket. 58-71. Inbound simple now. Pass number 3. He's on the other end. Ball number 16. Pass on his return because 1 and 15 on the shot clock. Pass again, Bob. 12 seconds. 10 on the shot clock. Number 3. He's on. Compose the toss. Good for you. 73-58. Interior number 16. Pass at number 5. Left corner, go away. In and out. Rebound number 23. Atake naman para sa team ng 4 boys. Maganda pa. Easy basket. 75-58. Pass at number 16. Double A long range. In and out. Ayaw. Okay, bundle up the rebounds. Punta na number 5. Against the whistle. On Mr. Hill. Second going back. First and down. 14 on the shot clock. Number 16, long three. Short. Rebound. Number 11. Pass to number 43. This man, 2 on 1 situations. Many pokers good. Taliban tayo. Ay talking tayo. Here's number 43 is into this one. Tatlo na. 17 down. wide. We're double up. Going down, 7-7, 58 divisional score natin. Got a pass the way. Drawing, shot stop, and gets a whistle. Whistle. Number 11, first one up, third team ball now. He throws double A. So, very good. 67-7 inbound now. Hill. Pass. To number 43. Pero yung pass again, Guzman ang magbababa ng bola. Again, bomb. Susubok sa taas. No good. Number 5 on the rebound. Pass number 16. All out under of Mr. Hill. 3 on sports commission. 6 up. Yeah, pass. Never hurt because of the part defensa. Now, counter from jersey number 64. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Oh, he was right one up. Offensive rebound. Number 2. Good vertical. Official score 77-64. Babasa ang rest ng kalamangan 6 minutes and 40 sa ating game. Back to bowling. Biggie pass. This one. Bottom and down. Shot clock 16. Hill on the left corner. Long 2. It's good. 79-64. 19 on the shot clock. Marty Simi, number 16 on the left wing. 14 on the shot clock. Lodo game always in the bench. Subway pass. Hindi na medyo beyond their bounds. Clear number down. That's number 43 to this one. 18 on the shot clock. Right corner. Naging bagso sumong sa press. Awa. Wala. Number 2. On the rebound. Level number 2. Intercepted. And it's out of bounds. Single foul. Pass number 8 sa Peroso. 50 on the shot clock. 8 down to number 5. Number 2. Teardrop. No good. Offensive rebound. And it's out of bounds. Turnover. Very good.